Hello and welcome back to Homesteading, Northern Michigan. Today I'm going to do a little bit of harvesting out here. I have some zucchini, some summer squash, and peas, beans to harvest, and I'm going to fertilize. I just as recently did a live complaining about my garden and how I think it's from the sawdust. Well, Matt and Sara from the channel Matt and Sara reached out to me and said it's definitely from the sawdust. It will pull nitrogen out of the soil. So after I get done harvesting these, I'm going to mix up some compost tea from the chicken coops and the rabbit droppings, and I'm going to give everything a good watering with that for the next few days. I was recommended, and we're going to see what happens. If we can bring back these pepper plants and get these tomato plants a little bit fuller. So let's pull some of these beans off. These are more than ready. I will be right back with you guys. I got to get these washed, shrink wrapped, and into the freezer. And then we'll make some compost tea up, and we'll put it all over the weak plants. And we're going to see what happens. Look at these eggplant. They're looking horrible. They're just like barely even. They're just now starting to take off again. Cucumbers are looking weak. I haven't had a single cucumber this year. Peas and beans are the only things that are doing good in here. Oh, and squash and zucchini. Well, my friends, I would like to thank you for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan. And a super huge thank you to Matt and Sarah for helping me figure out what my problem with my garden was. I will keep you all updated on what happens if I kill it or if it works out. What I used was the manure I took out of the chicken coop. So that was the old meat birds. They've been gone for a while, so that was mainly rabbit poop. I assume that's going to be safe enough to put on there. Rabbit poop is for sure, but with the old manure, it should be fine, I'm thinking. And I have a nitrogen problem from all the sawdust I put in here, so guess that's supposed to be really good for it. So this should be let's notice a difference real quick. You've seen that the tomato plants haven't grown barely since I put them in months ago. I'm getting little tomatoes, but there's no new sprouts, no new growth, no new nothing. So, and same thing with the peppers. I've harvested like one pepper off each plant. It's not growing. Pretty depressing. But we got it. I think we got it under control now. It makes total sense. And you guys have a very blessed day. Before I go, I'd like to give a super special thank you and shout out to all my Michiganders who hit that join button. If you want to become a Michigander, check out that join button. It's right next to that subscription button. You guys have a blessed day. Peace.